Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can clear Instagram search history. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Instagram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, on your bottom you'll be having the search option. Just go over here and now go to the search bar. Over here you'll be having the search history. So there are three search history. So on the right you'll be seeing this cross icon in each of the account. So just press on that and then you can clear the history like this. So clear it again, you can press again and it will clear again. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.